People spend over 2 hours per day on social media, while a typical user has profiles on more than 7 social networks. Let's review how you can create your own social media. Watch till the end to find out how much it will cost. You're on the Jelvix channel, Tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Here we go. The social media industry is currently one of the largest, with a total user base of 4.62 billion people. It's equal to 58.4% of the total population of the planet. How many social networks do you use? Share in the comments section below the video. To create a social media website, the first thing you need to know is workflow. Let's overview the 5 main development stages. The first thing you need to do is to create a strategy. During this step, the team studies the category the product is placed in, selects an appropriate framework, develops APIs, and monitors market trends and competition. Then it's time to take care of the design. This step includes sketching, wireframing, prototyping, and designing app skins. The third stage is the development and quality assurance. Once the prototyping is finished, the development team starts working on the front end and the back end of the future website. Notice that application development and testing cycles run together, reinforce each other, and even span their phases. You can read more about mobile app development in our recent article. Follow the link in the description box. After testing and fixing the bugs, you can move on to the publishing and marketing of the app. A good marketing campaign boosts sales, maintains business relevance, and targets your client. The final stage is maintenance and support. After the launch, the work on the app doesn't end. Your team should regularly update it, add new features, and take care of the user experience. Now, when you're familiarized with the development process, let's briefly overview the features of the social media app. Profile. A user profile has to include such information as name, location, photo, etc. Posts. Users should be able to share news and information and discuss topics with their friends or the wider community. Notifications. This feature allows people to get updates on their mobile phones without logging into the app. A search bar. This makes it easier for people to find groups, topics, or people. Friending options. Users need to be able to send a friend request or follow others to see updates in their newsfeed. The newsfeed. This is the central space where users can see what's happening in the lives of the friends, people, and groups they're following. Chat. This private messaging system gives users a chance to communicate with each other privately. File uploads. Users need to be able to download some photos or other files. Security. The platform should be highly secure and provide the option for data to be owned and managed by you. Admin access. This feature is to help you and those you assigned roles to manage the site and block unreliable users. If you want to make your future app outstanding, add some extra features that may attract more users. Some of the most trendy ones are augmented reality and face filters. A good example is funny face filters on Instagram or Snapchat. Artificial intelligence chatbots. These are the automated chatbots that respond to questions to make the user experience better. Ephemeral content. This type of content disappears after 24 hours, such as messages or stories. You've probably seen them on Instagram. Do you wonder how much it costs to create a social media app? Remember that the number of team members and invested funds depends entirely on your wishes and requirements. If you plan to produce a social network with basic functionality, you need to invest approximately $65,000 to $115,000 to create a web app, iOS, and Android apps. You'll still have a chance to beat Facebook on the global wide web. Give it a try and launch a product that will bring you profit and experience. And the last question, do you still think that the social media app market has some space for new players? This video was made by the Jelvix team. We help the world's leading brands innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We're sharing the latest on technology trends and innovations. So be sure to subscribe not to miss any videos, and don't forget to press the bell button. Also, share what topics we need to cover further on our channel. Find out our contact details in the description box. Bye for now.